We have been trading SoundHound for a couple of months now. As you guys know, back in April and May, price pulled all the way back into our smart money zone. And this is when we started calling for a potential bottom. Because in most cases, when price pulls back into these macro smart money zones, price is going to bounce and rally. We have seen this happen recently with Reddit. We've seen this happen with Robinhood. We've seen this happen with Roblox. We've seen this happen with AMD. And so this is a very strong setup and normally a very good sign of a bottom. And so in the case of SoundHound, that is exactly what happened. But as of recent, you can see we had this massive rally on the daily chart from earnings. Price was up nearly 69% in 13 days. But unfortunately, price has pulled back, price has sold off, and now it looks like we're ready for another expansion or another breakout. And that's what I want to talk about in this video. Now, before we get started, if you want access to all of these indicators completely for free with my proprietary settings, including the BX Trender, which shows buy and sell pressure, the smart money zones, and volume profile, you can get access to them and our entire course library down in the description completely for free. You'll learn how to set them up in less than 30 minutes and then how to use them all in conjunction within our system. Now, looking at this daily chart, you're going to notice that price has sold off pretty aggressively. We could have seen this sell off happening here because of the daily BX trender. You're going to notice that we had an increase in buying pressure, which flipped from red to green. And then when we flipped from bright green to dark green, this is normally an indication, not necessarily that we're going to sell off, but in most cases that we are actually losing momentum. Then we shifted from dark green to red, which is where this massive flush happened. Now, for those of you who have taken the Smart Money course and you understand market structure, you will know that a bullish market does not just go straight up, right? It's very rare we get these massive spikes. Instead, we will have breakouts where price action will break out, then it will pull back. Price action will break out, then it will pull back. Price action will break out. It'll continue to do that up and up and up. That is called market structure. Now, the important thing to understand with market structure is that there are specific areas in which these pullbacks will normally happen. This is called a smart money zone. You can see we have one right here, which we can dictate by the Fibonacci. And you can see that this one back here from June to August was absolute perfection. Price pulled right into this smart money zone and bounced from that smart money zone all the way up to $17, which is about 60%. So our goal as traders is to accumulate inside of a smart money zone or an institutional buy range, and then start to take profits as we push up into what's called a premium market, or basically higher highs. And so if we look at SoundHound, you are going to see that the BX trender has now closed higher low. We are now bouncing inside of that institutional buy range. And now our trading bot within our Discord community has fired a buy alert. And so I will be getting back into this position as of tomorrow morning. From here, my upside targets will be $17 to $18 within the next month and a half. And if price ends up breaking $11, this is where structure could potentially shift. If $11 is broken, the next step is down to $9.50. And then we will have to revisit this setup as a potential break of structure and might take our losses. But to be quite honest, this is looking like a really, really good setup and a really, really good entry point. And so I will take this trade each and every single time. Now remember, just because our setup is currently in play doesn't mean that we're going to make money. We only have a historical win rate of 62%. What is more important is our risk versus reward here, because we have an upside of anywhere between 40% to 50% with a downside of 10%. I will take that each and every single day. As always, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for all of your support. If you want access to our entire trading system and all of our indicators, they are free down in the description.